Hey guys, so today I will be showing you a quick remedy on how I moisturize or I keep my very dry ends smooth, moisturized, conditioned, and healthy again. So let's go. Okay, so what I first have here is an apple cider vinegar, and then the next one that I have here is a deep conditioner. If you don't have a deep conditioning treatment, you can actually also use a conditioner, but it really depends on you all. Alright, so in a bowl right here, I will be putting conditioner. So I'm just gonna go ahead and probably use that much on my hair. I know it's quite a lot, but I have a lot of hair. And then I'm going to add on some apple cider vinegar. I added in about 2 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar. And go ahead and mix it together. Now after, the consistency is going to look like this. What you can do actually is you can either add in some olive oil to this or almond oil. So here I'm going to be adding in a little bit of the olive oil. So I know it looks like some fancy porridge dish. I'm going to go ahead and mix it. So you're going to get something that would look like this. Alright, so you need to start off with cleaning hair. I actually just wet my hair right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this during this DIY, by the way, in the kitchen. Now, it's best to actually work on this with clean hair already. But since I'm not going to put this on top of my hair and just in the bottom part of my hair, because I know that's the only part and that's like my problematic areas, I'm just gonna go ahead and focus it there and then just wash my hair all over later. Just because this is going to marinate on my hair for 30 minutes. I know it may seem a lot and I'm just packing it all in, but my hair really needs this so bad. I'm gonna start to apply that probably until just right here, but I'm not gonna touch my scalp with this. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and put my hair in a plastic bag just to let it marinate there. And then I'm going to go ahead and clean up my whole mess here. Alright you guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my hair. On my scalp, I will be using my Kerotin Collagen Shampoo. I'm gonna go ahead first and wash this thing out. I didn't leave it on my hair for 30 minutes. After 15 minutes, I went ahead and just washed it off. Alright guys, so I just finished washing my hair, so now I'm just gonna use my hair towel, and then I'm just gonna towel dry it and then just simply air dry it for now. Okay, so this is the result. I like how my hair feels super soft after this treatment. Now, I think this is what they call Konsuka treatment, but for me, I swapped the regular conditioner for a deep conditioner and also a regular vinegar to using ACV. And then I just added in olive oil because I like how it really moisturizes the hair. I find that this is a really good quick remedy for dry hair, and it also helped me get rid of the knots on my hair. And I wanted to use a shea butter on my hair originally, but I didn't have enough. But this did a really great job in making my super dry ends soft. Also, since now I got a trim, I'm very much onto taking care of my ends properly and preserve them well this time, so it does not grow out wispy or break easily, and I'm preventing split ends as much as I can right now. So this is it you guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you found this content valuable, please do share it to a friend, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!